Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can loot quickly like this in Rust. So what you'll need to do is basically go to the settings, so click escape, go to the options, click on the keybinds and scroll down until you see inventory. After that you'll see a hover loot. It will be an H keybind for default, so make sure to change that by your own preference. For me it is mouse 3 because I like that. And then when I go to the crate or somebody else and I need to loot quickly, what I will need to do is just go with my mouse and click on that keybind and hover the mouse over the items that I want to take. So it will look something like this, and as you can see I quickly looted this crate. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.